Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and this video today is to kind of show a problem I had with one of my daughter's glasses that broke, and unfortunately we got this glass frame at Costco and they don't warranty not the frame or the lens. So for this simple fix, what I decided to do was go down to the nearest Home Depot to see what type of adhesive or glue that would be able to be strong enough to fix the part of her frame here with the glasses. So what I decided to test out is this Loctite Plastics Bonding system, which is a two-part system. The first part is this activator that you're seeing here. It looks like a little magic marker, and you just basically mark over the area that you want that you need the activator to bond with, right? So the goal here is to cover the surface area that is going to be bonded, and give it about 30 seconds to 60 seconds to kind of sit in. And once 30 to 60 seconds pass, go ahead and dab the adhesive onto the location. So what I did here was I actually added a few more drops than necessary, because the way the little hinge thing attaches to part of the glass frame, it was kind of wobbly. So I overexerted the glue a little bit more, and basically not only placed some on the glass frame, but also some on the actual hinge itself, and then from there, just putting it together and making sure it forms right into the slot. And the one thing about this particular glue is that you need to let it set for about 12 hours. So basically, once you have it bonded, you want to put it somewhere for at least 12 hours or more. So it'll be until the next day before my daughter tests her glass out and see if it works as is. And over time, I'll probably come back and update this video in the comments on whether or not it was durable enough to keep her glasses intact. So with that, thank you for stopping by, and I'll talk to you guys later.